This is Kai. Kai likes to be on the cutting edge of technology, so he's buying an electric vehicle. Charging and maintaining an EV is new to Kai, and he's learning as he goes. Despite the convenience and environmental benefits, EVs and hybrids have a lot of sophisticated components and high-tech electrical systems that can cost thousands of dollars per repair. That's a hit Kai would rather not take. That's where EasyCare comes in. EasyCare's vehicle service contract offers protection from parts and labor costs associated with repairs to EV components and much more. It may even cover some repairs that the manufacturer's warranty doesn't. Plus, most drivers run out of factory warranty before they trade in their vehicle, so a VSC adds extra peace of mind. We offer 4 levels of coverage to suit your vehicle needs, your driving habits, and your budget. And in addition to covering EV components like the traction motor and battery, our most popular level covers thousands more mechanical and electrical parts and components. Some plans even cover your tires and wheels if they're damaged by road hazards on a public roadway, such as glass, metal, potholes, rocks, nails, tree limbs, and more. And it doesn't stop there. We go the extra mile with additional convenience benefits such as 24/7 emergency roadside assistance, substitute transportation, and trip interruption reimbursement, which you can use if your vehicle is in the shop for any covered repair. Over 11 million customers have trusted EasyCare since 1984. In fact, EasyCare has paid over $3.5 billion in claims and is designated as a Motor Trend recommended Best Buy. Embrace the journey. We'll take care of the rest.